Hello students, now let us solve some problems on the conversion of radian measure to degree and degree to radian. See this question. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following angle 47 degree 30 minutes. First you should express this in terms of degree. You know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, here 30 minutes can be represented as 30 by 60 degree. And you can simply calculate this. 30 by 60 is equal to 0.5 and it is 47 degree plus 0.5 is equal to 47.5 degree. And there is a formula for conversion of degree to radian. X degree is equal to pi by 180 into x. Therefore, 47.5 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 47.5. And you can take the value of pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14 and you can get the value 0.8286. This is equivalent to 47 degree 30 minutes. Take this question. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure, that is 11 by 16 radians. And here we can directly use the conversion formula. X radian is equal to 180 divided by pi into x degree. Therefore, 11 by 16 is equal to 180 divided by pi into 11 by 16. You can substitute the value of pi, that's equal to 22 by 7. You will have 180 into 7 by 22 into 11 by 16 and simplifying you will get 39.375 degree. Now this 0.375 degree can be expressed in terms of minutes. That is 39.375 degree is equal to 39 plus 0.375 degrees, that's equal to 39 degree plus 0.375 into 60 minutes. This is the method of converting degree to minutes. And you can simplify this, you will get 22.5 minutes. 0.375 into 60 is equal to 22.5 minutes. And this 0.5 minutes can be expressed in terms of seconds. And this is equal to 39 degree, 22 minutes plus 0.5 into 60. 0.5 into 60 is equal to 30 seconds. We will have 39 degree, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. See this question. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Now, the number of revolutions made by the wheel in 1 minute is 360. It is given. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. And you can find the number of revolutions made by the wheel in 1 second, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. In 60 seconds it makes a revolution of 360 and number of revolutions in 1 second is 360 divided by 60, which is equal to 6 revolution in 1 second. And you know that 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radian, that is 360 degree. 1 revolution is 360 degree, which is equal to 2 pi radian. Therefore, 1 complete revolution, the wheel turns an angle of 2 pi radian. Therefore, 6 complete revolutions, it will turn an angle of 6 into 2 pi, which is equal to 12 pi radian. Now you see this question. This is a problem on the arc length. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Here you have the standard formula, that is the circle is having a radius of r unit and arc length is L and angle subtended at the center is theta, then theta is equal to L by R. Here radius of the circle is 100 centimeter, R is equal to 100 centimeter, and the length of arc is 22 centimeter, L is equal to 22 centimeter. Here you have to find the angle subtended at the center in degree measure. It is asked in degree measure. First you apply the formula theta is equal to L by R. What is L here? L is 22 centimeter. What is R? 100. And this is in terms of radian. You should know that if you apply the formula and get the value of theta, theta you will get in terms of radian measure. Now the question is asked to find the angle in degree measure. That's why you have to convert this to degree measure. How to convert radian to degree? You have to multiply by 180 and divide by pi. That is 180 by pi into 22 by 100. If you simplify this, you will get 12.6 degrees. Further, this 0.6 degree can be represented by minutes, just multiplying 0.6 by 60. 0.6 into 60 is equal to 36, and which is equal to 12 degree. Now take this question. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Here the length of chord is 20 centimeter. You have to find the minor arc of the chord. And in this problem you have to use the basic geometrical concepts to solve the question. Now the diameter of the circle is 40 centimeter. Therefore you can find the radius of the circle. Radius r is equal to diameter divided by 2. What is diameter? 40. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. Then you can draw the figure and solve the problem. Here AB is the chord of the circle and it is given that length of the chord is 20 centimeter. The length of chord is 20 centimeter. And OA and OB are the radius of the circle, and we already calculated the radius of the circle, which is also equal to 20 centimeter. OA and OB is equal to radius, which is equal to 20 centimeter. And this is AB is 20 centimeter, OA is 20 centimeter, OB is 20 centimeter, and this triangle is an equilateral triangle. All the three angles are equal, and hence in an equilateral triangle all angles are equal to 60 degree, and hence we will have the value of theta which is equal to 60 degree. But to solve the question we should write in terms of radian measure, because the question is asked to find the minor arc, that means arc AB. This is asked here, arc AB is asked, and there is another arc which is called major arc. Here smaller part of the arc is called as minor arc. The question is asked to find the minor arc, that is AB. Angle subtended by this arc is 60 degree, which is equal to pi by 3 radian. Now you can apply the formula length of arc is equal to r into theta. Here r is known, theta is also known. We know that the circle of radius r unit, if an arc length is L, angle subtended is theta radian, at the center the angle is theta, then theta is equal to L by R, or L is equal to R into theta. What is R here? R is 20 and theta is pi by 3, which is equal to 20 pi by 3 centimeter. You have to write the unit also.